Today, I'm going to show you how to sharpen a drill bit. Most people can't sharpen one by hand, and so I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. I'd been in machine work for many years, and so this is a trick that I picked up while doing machine work for a long time, and not everybody was able to do this, and so just a good hint for you. Take a look. Okay, here's a gauge you can pick up out at Harbor Freight. Can you see those numbers right there? You take your drill bit and you find the leading edge, the cutting edge. You put it up against there and you measure the tip of your point. Find out right where it comes in. Like that. And then when you grind, you make sure that both sides measure the same distance. That way you keep your point straight and it'll cut your hole straight. So here we go with the sharpening. Try to get a close-up in so you can see real well. See that little gouge in there? You try to get that gouge out of that edge. Okay, it's gone. Now we'll get this other side. Now we'll measure it and make sure that both sides are the same distance. And it looks the same. So that should cut real well. Okay, now I'm using the drill bit I just sharpened, and see how that works out to make the final hole. Worked real good. Proud of my handiwork. Check out that hole it drilled. Man, if that wasn't a clean hole there, I'm talking about. I mean, good job on sharpening that drill bit. I mean, wow. Well, I hope you learned something, and maybe you can sharpen your own drill bit too. Go and pick up one of these gauges. It works like a protractor, a center finder, a square, drill point gauge, and a circle divider. So it's a real nifty little tool for helping you sharpen drills. And thank you very much, and I'll see you later.